What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and the most common excuse that we hear when it comes to sticking to a training plan, especially from all you busy people, is that some days you just simply can't find the time to work out. And we get it. Sometimes it can be hard to figure out how you're going to get in a solid workout. So today, we're going to do a follow-along workout that will blast calories, help sculpt lean muscle, and it only takes 10 minutes of your day. And even better, you can do it from a gym, you can do it while you're traveling, you can do it at home with little or no equipment.
I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
So now, when life gets busy, it can put a strain on your fitness plan. So instead of skipping exercise altogether, most people can find 10 minutes out of their day, and really appropriately done is all you need to get a pretty effective workout. Now, obviously, we have tons of workouts like the one that I'm about to show you today, but there really is nothing more important than making sure that the workouts, and most importantly, the diet strategy that you're following is catered to where you're starting and what your end goal is. And one way that we help you decide what plan is best for you is by helping you determine what your body type is. This takes all the guesswork out of it for you and shows you exactly how you should train and how you should eat to fuel your body towards your goals. Now, when you're done watching this video, make sure you take our free body type quiz. There's a link right below in the description. It's just 5 questions and I'll show you exactly what to do to get in shape. All right, so let's get straight into this 10-minute no excuse workout. You can do this when you first wake up, you can do it while dinner's on the stove, or even on your lunch break. Also, if you're traveling, this is an easy one that you can do from your own hotel room or at the hotel gym, no matter how limited equipment is. The truth is, you can actually get a great workout in a short amount of time, but it has to be done correctly. You need the right exercises and the correct format to crank up your metabolism and boost your fat loss and build lean muscle. Now, this workout is best if you have a set of dumbbells or maybe some resistance bands, especially for someone who's more advanced, but body weight is better than nothing, and you can certainly get a good burn with no equipment at all. Now, to adapt this to your fitness level, here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes, and then you'll repeat this 10-move circuit as many times as possible without resting. So first up, we have Goblet Squat with a shoulder press. You're gonna do this for 10 reps, and then we're gonna move into reverse lunges with bicep curls. Again, we're gonna go 10 reps on each side. Then we're gonna go into lateral squats with a tricep kickback in between. 10 reps each side with a tricep kickback in between sides. Then we're gonna go with a 3-way raise, lateral to front to upright. 10 total reps, and 1 rep is all 3. Then we're gonna go to push-ups with shoulder taps. You're gonna go 10 reps of the push-up with the shoulder taps in between. Then we're gonna go with glute bridges. So 10 reps, followed by 1 5-second isometric hold at the end. Then we're gonna go to Superman pulses. So 30 seconds of pulsing, followed by a 5-second isometric hold at the end. Then we're gonna go to Glute Kick-Ups to a fire hydrant. 10 reps of each movement on each side. Then we're gonna go to mountain climbers, and we're gonna do mountain climbers as many times as possible for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna finish it up with a plank, and you're gonna hold this plank for 30 seconds. So you'll keep repeating this with no rest until your 10-minute timer is up. Now, if you complete a round and let's say you're getting close to that 10-minute mark and you know that you won't be able to complete another round, you can always just finish up that workout with, let's say, some plyometrics like jump rope or jumping jacks or jump squats or any other high intensity movement. There you have it. If you push yourself, and especially if you incorporate, let's say, some resistance bands or some dumbbells, after 10 minutes, your muscles should be on fire. Now, for the advanced lifters out there that don't think that you can benefit from workouts like this as well, just grab some heavier weights and get to work. I guarantee if I was standing next to you right now, I'd figure out a way to push you and make you sweat bullets by the end of this. Also, if you're unsure if this type of circuit workout is the most beneficial for you, once again, we make understanding your body type and exactly what your needs are extremely easy to understand with our free body type quiz. So if you want to check that out, click the link below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel and liking this video and commenting what else you want to see below. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one.